Today we are actually purchasing a new vehicle for AB. Are you excited, bro?
Super excited, bro.
You have your license, registration, insurance on you?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. We have some epic content for you. Today we are actually purchasing a new vehicle for AB. He's somewhere over here looking around at the G-Wagons.
Get over here, bro. Check this one out.
So he found himself a school bus, finished in the pearl yellow. Yo, homie, it's your boys. It's the Mogul fam, bro. Hello.
Guys.
What do you want to say to them? What's your decision? Have you chosen your car yet, or what?
No, man. There's a lot of cars to choose, but we'll see what's going on. Either I gotta go sport or SUV, so I'm just still debating which way to go. But check out my school bus. What do you guys think about this one? I can put like a sign next to it.
Sick yellow, right? All he has to have is a little red stop sign that's gonna flip open. Pick up the neighborhood kids, drop them off to school. They'll feel the coolest kids in the block, which is G-Wagon right here.
Carbon fiber interior, full diamond stitching and everything.
We got a lot of decisions to make because we're gonna leave the dealership with a car today. What are you guys thinking? Should you get something sporty, an E63, an AMG GT, a G63?
What is gonna happen today? So you guys can't tell us what you guys think because I'm gonna get it anyways because I don't have a car.
Yeah, he has to get, because this has been an epic journey through a lot of dealerships, a car wash.
Hell, bro, turn this shit off. You need to turn it off.
So let's do this. Let's pick a car and let's roll out.
Let's check out 100 G-Wagons right now.
It's a G-Wagon heaven.
Look at
right
this.
here.
It's insane, guys. Keys, number one when it comes to G-Wagons. If you want to get a G-Wagon, you gotta come to Keys, guys.
Right here, bro.
It's insane. Like, look at that blue right there.
Sick, baby. If I would have had a blue GT4, this would be a matching set right here.
Oh yeah, bro. Look at this blue color G63 right here. I'm telling you, it's like Skittles over here. You got all kinds of colors.
Two rows.
I mean, I could just walk like this backwards.
The sand is sick. Sand right here.
Where is that? Oh, this one. Yeah, it's sand, camel, what do you want to call it? But it's crazy, guys. It's back to back to back to back. It just goes on. It's insane.
65.
So, I don't know. I'm loving it right here, right now. I don't want to leave G-Wagon heaven. So we're gonna see what car we're gonna be getting. I got a couple options. Maybe an S63 or I don't know. We'll see. Maybe an AMG GT. I don't know. I'm just kind of confused right now. But Artie's in car heaven also. Thank God.
I'm in shock right now. I don't know what to look at.
We went up on the 3rd floor to look at some AMG GTs, S-Class. I don't know. There's a bunch of cars here. And guys, this is Arthur.
What's up, guys?
My salesperson at Keys Mercedes, and I mean, the guy just works and hustles hard for you. He'll get you the best deal pretty much, and he will get you the car that you want. So anytime you're gonna walk in to Keys Mercedes, make sure to ask for Arthur. He will help you out, guys. Trust me.
Yeah, and do promo code Art the Mogul.
Thank you.
Yeah, Art the Mogul right there.
They're gonna come here with a promo code.
Damn, these cars are hot. Art, we gotta test drive this, bro.
Done. You pick the one, I bring you the keys.
What's up, bro? What do you think?
It's not a bad car. It's nice.
You're in that
Pretty
big
quick.
body space coupe. Look at that
Yeah,
blue.
It's
Wow.
like an S-Class with just a two-door. It's really nice, but very fast.
63. Is this it? Is this the one?
I don't know, man. We still got a lot of cars to drive.
Are you excited, bro?
Super excited, bro.
So we're waiting on the financing. I think he picked his car, the CLA 250. So we're just waiting on the financing approval.
Gonna be surprised, guys. guys, we just signed paperwork. So now we're gonna go pick up the car. They washed it, it's all ready to go. And let me show you guys, here you go. Bam, right here guys. My baby, my new baby right here. After driving all those cars, G-Wagons, S-Coupes, I decided, you know what, you gotta go all out and get the Roadster because this is the car. We're gonna have a lot of videos with this, guys. We're gonna probably change the wheels, tune it, some decals. This is gonna be crazy. What do you think, Art?
I'm amazed, bro. Good choice. You're fine, brother.
Hell yeah, brother.
Welcome to the family.
Oh yeah, you're gonna see some crazy videos with this, guys. Stay tuned. Thanks to Arthur for making it happen, man. He's the best.
Congratulations.
I went to a lot of dealerships, but this guy really made it happen. Let's start the car. Bye-bye, Bo. Art, look, exhaust sound over there.
Yo, check it out, check it out. You know when it's really certified that this is a mobile car? You got the plates, baby. You excited, bro?
Oh, hell
It's finally
yeah.
done?
I love it.
So stay
I don't think I'm
tuned
gonna sleep today. I'm driving to the beach.
with the roof down, baby.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and then stabbing my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my moves in the past, I'm wondering what was I thinking. Lately I'm living in fear.
What up, guys? Just left the dealership. Picked up my car, top down, of course. I love top down cars. That's the reason that I got this car. It's freaking awesome. I mean, the exhaust on this thing is crazy. Just gotta hear it. Woo! Badass, guys. Fast. Woo! Love it, it's crazy. Badass car, guys. Whoa. Yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Oh, cops. What happened here? Oh. Turn off the car, man. I just got the car.
Turn off your car, please.
Oh, sorry.
Partner, be right with you, okay?
No worries.
Good evening, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, the reason I stopped you is,
I'm speeding.
yeah.
I understand. I'm sorry. I just got the car from Keys. I was just trying to do a short clip. I wasn't planning on speeding like that.
You have your license, registration, insurance on you?
No, I don't.
Do you have all that stuff? You said it's brand new, or?
Yeah.
You have your license?
Yeah.
Where's this coming from on the ground?
Oh, the light?
Is that really?
It's from the...
Oh, the mirror?
Yeah. So guys, pretty much I got pulled over. First time I'm getting the car, and I got pulled over, guys. This is not gonna be fun. It's gonna be freaking crazy. I gotta learn how to drive slow. After that Jeep, I need to learn how to drive slow. So if you guys wanna see more crazy footage like this, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and I will see you guys soon, and we will talk more, guys. Have a good night. Peace.
All of this shit going on, the shootings are strong. One shot to the head and I'm gone. I'm losing control, but I can't let it go, cause I'm trying to get more. And I've been in the moment, I've been in the zone, and I'm moving alone. I don't pick up the phone when my family call. I've been doing it wrong and I don't know what's happening. Trying to get what I just been imagining.